tutorial, I will be showing you the power of Python using this Python program I created that does automation by voice recognition. Let's have a look. Now, my Python program will let the user call out a shape, a function, or an animal video. Then, it will automatically show the user what he called out. Let me demonstrate.
Waiting for a command.
Black circle.
Done. Waiting for a command.
Orange square.
Done. Waiting for a command.
Purple triangle.
Done. Waiting for a command.
Function x cubic.
Done. Waiting for a command.
Function x cubic divide by 4 plus 3.
Done. Waiting for a command.
Function x squared plus 9 divide by x.
Done. Waiting for a command.
Function x divide by 100.
Done. Waiting for a command.
Green ring.
Done. Waiting for a command.
Blue box.
Done. Waiting for a command.
Red sphere.
Done. Order.
Lion video. Stop.
Done. Order.
Monkey video. Stop.
Done. Order.
Goose video. Stop.
Done. Order.
Cow video. Stop.
Done. Order.
Deer video. Stop.
Done. Order.
Seal video. Stop.
Done. Order.
Function x cubic divide by 3 plus x squared times 9 plus 11.
Done. Order.
Function x squared minus x cubic.
Done. Waiting for a command.
Stop.
Goodbye.
This is the end of this tutorial. If you have any questions, requests, suggestions, or comments, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel. It's called NetsEDU. Today is March 10th, 2020. Please hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. And if you enjoyed this video, please have a look at my other videos. They might help you with math and programming in Python. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.